Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update Audi Q3 navigation maps. First, you'll need to prepare by checking your current map version and ensuring you have the right tools. Then, we'll cover downloading the latest map data from the official Audi portal. Finally, I'll guide you through the in-car installation process, making sure your navigation is always up to date for a smooth driving experience. Before starting, access your Audi Q3's MMI system to verify the current map version. This helps confirm which update you need. Next, visit the official Audi website and log into your account to download the latest map data package. Make sure you have a reliable, high-speed internet connection. Finally, transfer these downloaded files onto a formatted SD card, ensuring it has sufficient storage, typically at least 32 GB, for the entire map update. With your SD card ready, insert it into the designated slot in your Audi Q3's MMI system. Power on the MMI and navigate to the Setup or Settings menu. Look for the System Update or Navigation Update option. Select the SD card as the source for the update. The system will then guide you through the installation, which might take some time. Keep the engine running during this process to avoid interruptions. After the installation completes, restart your MMI system. Then, go back into the navigation settings to verify that the new map version is successfully installed and active. You should now see the updated road data and points of interest, ensuring more accurate and efficient journeys. Enjoy the benefits of a fully updated navigation system. For more helpful tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.